Hi, my name is Jeff. I'll show you amazing construction machines. Here comes the first vehicle. It is a concrete mixer truck. This is a wheel loader. Tap me to hear more about it. Hydraulic cylinders. Wheel. Headlamps, wipers, bucket up. A bucket is a specialized container attached to a machine. Bucket down. This is an articulated hauler. This is a tracked excavator. Backhoe. A backhoe is the main tool of the digger, used to dig up hard, compact material, usually earth, or to lift heavy loads, such as a sewer box. This is a grader. It is a mobile crane. Outriggers extended. Now you can raise the boom. A mobile crane is a type of machine that can be used both to lift and lower materials, and to move them horizontally.